Hi guys, that's Rodin Underworld, and today we are going to discuss which option is better during the trip, hotel or apartments. In the previous video, we have discovered which options is better in terms of the price and other key factors. Today we are going to discuss, let's say, something like additional factors that are more related to the comfort rather than the key factors for the consideration. However, the link for the previous video will be in the description. And before I start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to my Telegram channel. The links will be below, whether in description or in the comments. And let's begin. On the left side, you can see the parameters and the two options, hotel and apartments. So let's start from the first one. Well, this is meals. For example, in hotel, you can buy breakfast and some other meals as well. Typically, in most case scenario, in the apartments, you should control all your meals by yourself. For some people, it can be a disadvantage, but for others, it can be, a great option to control everything you eat and at what price. You can, like typically in the hotel, you pay the fixed price for the breakfast and so on. So it really depends on what you need. Well, the next one, luggage storage after the departure. If you're a frequent traveler, you are familiar with such a situation when, for example, you should leave the hotel at around 12 a.m. and your train will be, let's say, in 5 p.m. or whatever, and you will have to wait 5 or more hours. And you have the luggage or just a bag or whatever, and you don't have the place where you can leave it. And walking around with this luggage and so on is not convenient. So in a hotel, you can get free or on a paid basis the storage for your luggage while you're having like the walk around or visiting some other places, and when it will be closer to your departure on train or airplane or whatever, you will simply pick your luggage and that's all. When you're renting the apartments, uh, typically there are no such option. Of course, if you will bargain with the owner of the apartments, I guess you can bargain it, but typically it's not available. Next one, cleaning, change of the towels, hygiene items, etc. Well, in a hotel, it is in place, while in apartments there is no such option. Uh, well, in these terms, the hotel is better. The washing machine, iron, etc. Sometimes it is available on a paid basis in the hotel. Sometimes free. In the apartments, it is usually included. This is one of the great advantages of the apartments. The next one, availability of gym, spa, etc. Well, it depends on the hotel. Of course, if you're having your vacation at some expensive hotel, it will be included. But if you're staying in a two-star hotel or whatever, typically such options are not included, but you can find this these places nearby and simply visit them. By the way, in my Telegram channel, I wrote something like an article about how to choose the gym while having a trip. And in the apartments, definitely it is not included into apartments. Of course, you can find all these places nearby, but it's not out of the box when you are rating the apartments. All right, and the last one, cab ordering service, table reservation, tickets, wake up service, etc. Yeah, in hotel it depends on the hotel. In some you can get these services, in some not. Uh, well, and in the apartments, definitely not included. Well, I guess that's all. We have gone through pros and cons of each option. If you like this video, press like. If you don't like this video, press like and subscribe, because we will make a greater content in the future. And subscribe to my Telegram channel. Thanks for watching. It was Rodion Underworld. Bye.